Heidi-ho, Mad Scientists. Welcome once again to the Mad Science Lab. We are so glad you're here. Now, I want to tell you a little bit about a great program that we have. We call it Health Explorer, and it's all about anti-drugs, anti-smoking, and anti-vape. So I'm going to show you a few clips of the program. Whatever you do, don't go away, because we got some really cool things coming up for you right now. I want you to pour about that much water into it, and then the rest of you observe and tell me what happens.
It's slowly coming out.
It's slowly coming out. Now reach inside and pick up that inside part again. Not just the filter, but the whole inside part. We need to make sure that we take care of our body, and it will take care of us. Whenever I say one, you squeeze it. Whenever I say two, you squeeze it. 1, 2, 1, 2. There you go.
1, 2.
Okay. Everyone is for them over there.
1.
Everybody breathe in again. Observation. There was one observation already. One side doesn't work. Tell me another observation. Okay, so what does this mean? It's going like that. Why are there 4 chambers? What happened? What happened?
They put air into the blood.
Ooh, where does the air come in? So anything that happens in your body affects the whole body. Your hand's not sitting out here alone going, doesn't matter if I get cut out here and get a little infection here, it's only going to affect my finger. No, it's going to affect your whole body.